Search and rescue efforts continue in parts of central Texas hit by the devastating floods as the death toll continues to rise today. At least 90 people are now confirmed dead, including 27 children and counselors from a girls' summer camp. Dozens of people remain unaccounted for at this hour. And now a flood watch is in effect, covering nearly 5 million people, with more rain and storms arriving today. Waterways in some of the most devastated parts of central Texas rising again Monday as more rain falls in the area. The elements hampering ongoing search and rescue efforts.
They're running into a lot of technical challenges with terrain, with water.
The Kirk County Sheriff's Office says over 400 local, state, and national first responders and more than a dozen canine units are helping in the search and rescue efforts. Here, a dramatic rescue after two people clung to a tree to save their lives. Others in the state, including children, were forced to swim to safety.
The flood started getting bigger, and it was going up to, we have bunk beds in our cabins, and it was going up to the top bunk, and we had one choice, and we had to swim out of our cabins.
I said a prayer when I was standing on my porch. Both my parents are deceased, and I said, Mom, Dad, God, help.
The death toll continues to rise, including 27 campers and counselors from Camp Mystic along the Guadalupe River.
I've lost near friends, best friends, my boss, my godchildren.
The Hill Country community now questioning if anything could have been done to prevent this tragedy.
Everyone here, if we could have warned them, we would have done so. And we didn't even have a warning.
While survivors come together in their grief.
The outpour of people near, far, it's been incredible.
And unfortunately, that weather situation in central Texas is not improving. Kim Adams here with a look at what folks are facing, because that ground, as you were talking about earlier, it's so saturated.
I mean, the ground is saturated. They've had just an enormous amount of water in the past week, including this morning. More rain fell, adding to this total here. You can see the legend up there. In some parts of Texas, right along that river, they've had as much as 23 inches of rain. Much of it fell in a very short period of time. And so you can see 23.2 right in Kerr. And there's just the topography, what is down there, just can't handle that water. And right now we're still tracking some showers and thunderstorms that are just now to the northwest of that area, and they are going to see more rain. So here's Kerrville right here, and you can see the rain off to the north and east. Here's what we're expecting. So 5 o'clock today, that rain's going to move in right over the same area that got the highest totals, and then more rain possible tomorrow. And by tomorrow night and into Wednesday night especially, around 8:30, 9 o'clock, you can see the oranges there indicating heavy rainfall, and that's going to certainly hamper some of those efforts in that area.